Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to make a video on any sound on TikTok. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. First of all, simply open your TikTok application.
दुआ करो सलामत रहे हिम्मत हमारी
So here is the video sound. If you want to select this sound and make a video, so there is a sign of Dawood Butt 87. Downward the arrow, you will simply tap on it. So this is the sound. You will simply tap on use this sound. So you can create a video from here. So this is the process of selecting any sound on TikTok. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.